you're ever in class and your teacher starts repeating the same sentence over and over again, that is not your teacher anymore, and it is in the middle of a ritual trying to trap your entire classroom. There won't be any signal, and you can see outside the classroom, but be assured, you're still in your world, although in a state of limbo. But it won't be for long, if you don't follow these rules. 1. Don't panic. Don't scream. Stay calm. Chaos makes the ritual end faster. 2. Pick someone to go in front of the teacher and smile excessively. It won't be able to intervene for a bit. This will buy all of you enough time. 3. Do not, under any circumstances, touch the door. If one of you does, everyone is doomed. Now, to escape, you need to find the ritual's anchor. It's always something easy to destroy, and has a cute marking on it. If it's a pen, break it in half. If it is a piece of chalk, crush it. Whatever it is, break it immediately. Good luck.